What the fuck kind of boat is this, dog? I'm on the little boat. I'm on the little boat. I'm on the little boat. I'm on the.
A radiological hazard warning has been issued for the western side of Nevada until further notice. At 11:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a lab experiment went wrong and caused an outbreak of a severe infectious disease. Symptoms include dizziness before infection, aggression towards people, latex-like substance spreading across your body, and the intention to infect other people. If you or a loved one are experiencing these symptoms, call 911 immediately. This is not a test. Tune into 93.4 FM on the radio or switch to channel 3 on your television.
My name is John Gray, and I will be delivering news and information on the dangerous event that is ongoing at the Dayton, Nevada lab. A liquid gooey-like substance was being made to experiment by turning humans into animals. It worked a little too well when the first volunteer tested it on himself. Then after he was fully infected by it, he started attacking other people and infecting more and more people. It's said the infected made it out the building and are attacking responding police officers and citizens. Stay tuned to this channel to be informed on this developing situation.
You are already behind, and your chances of survival have drastically decreased. Today, we will discuss how to effectively defend against home invasion. All you need is a 12-gauge shotgun, an M84 flashbang, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and a 20,000 kilogram block.
A contagious disease warning has been issued for all of California and Nevada. The outbreak at the Dayton, Nevada lab has gotten worse, and strange puddles on the ground have been reported. Do not come into contact with these puddles. The puddles are the disease. This disease is no joke. How to identify the disease, strange goo and fur-like substance on the infected's body, and hostility towards humans. More information will be delivered soon.
I've been going green. She said I'm a gaslighter. Babe, you don't even know what that means. Damn, this song is so ass. It kinda makes me wanna eat it. What? I call my penis Michael Jackson. All I wanna do is beat it. My cat's going.
A contagious disease warning is in effect for all of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, Idaho, Oregon, California, and Nevada. A serious contagious disease has been terrorizing the western United States of America and is spreading very fast. Citizens are advised to lock all doors, as the disease is turning people into animal-like creatures. They are attacking residents. Stay tuned as more information will soon follow.
Find themselves the victim of anti-tank guided missiles shot at their bicycle. To counter this threat, we can mount the STR-1 electro-optical passive countermeasure system to defend against such guided projectiles. The system interferes with the laser rangefinders of oncoming anti-tank guided missiles by using infrared measure system to defend against such guide.
Stand by. This is a message from the United States government. Stand by. This is not a test. This is not a test. An unofficially named disease has reached New York City, New Orleans, and Tampa Bay. The same disease that was wreaking havoc in the East. Everybody in the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii, must seek shelter immediately. Lock all doors, barricade all windows, and do not answer the door for anybody unless you are sure that this is a human being. The symptoms of the disease include dizziness, goo-like substance spreading on you, and the intention to infect more people. Commit suicide immediately if you start to get infected. If you see an infected person, stay away from the infected person. If the infected person starts chasing you, defend yourself as much as possible. These creatures are very resistant to pistol rounds. The National Guard will be deployed soon. Stay inside, stay safe.
Data from the dummy, combined with motion capture of Steve's punch, provides an inside view of devastation.
A contagious disease warning is in effect for all of the following: British Columbia and Alberta. An unnamed disease is currently spreading and has been responsible for over 12,000 deaths in the United States of America. Please lock all doors and windows and do not answer knocks. This disease transforms its victims into animal-like creatures that attempt to infect other people. Do not come into contact with strange colored puddles on the ground you may come across. Use any weapon to defend yourself. This is not a test. Stay tuned to Channel 3 or 103.2 on the radio.
Cómo hacer dinamita. Obtén 880 gramos de nitroglicerina. Mezclar en 50 gramos de nitrato de potasio.
Alerta nacional vigente hasta las 5 am. Una enfermedad potencialmente mortal ha sido responsable de muchas muertes en el norte. Estén atentos a su radio o televisión para recibir más alertas emitidas por el gobierno.
National alert effective until 5 a.m. A life-threatening disease has been responsible for many deaths occurring in the north. Stay tuned to your radio or television to receive further alerts issued by the government.
Farlig sygdomsadvarsel for hel Greenland. Olgen farlig sygdomsadvarsler hel Danmark, comic eye contact med fremmed van Pitter. Meer information veel blijven offentligget p kanal 23 nyheder.